Let's quickly look at checking and changing the data types in a database table. So this is Microsoft Access, and this is an imported table of car data. And each different column or field can contain data of a particular type. So for example, the ID is clearly some numbers, whereas the model name of the car is clearly writing, and the price is clearly numbers. But if I wanted to sort the price, maybe to find the most expensive or least expensive car, then when I choose this little sort arrow, I get sort A to Z. It must be treating it as writing, even though they're numbers. So I'm going to check that and change it if necessary by going to the Home ribbon and then clicking the View button to change from Datasheet View, which is what I'm looking at the moment, to Design View with the pencil and the ruler. Here I can't see any of the car data. I can only see the names of the different headings or fields. So car ID is a number, and because when I did the import, I said I'd like it to be the primary key. It's got a little key symbol there. Do check for that. Do check it's ticked there. Now the model name I know is writing, so that's fine. But the price I don't think should be text. So let's see what else we can make it. So we've got a number option, which would allow me to sort it. But there's actually a currency option which would be even better because we're dealing with money, so I'll choose that. Now the number of cylinders is definitely a number in a car's engine, and the size of the engine is also a number. So this is going to be quite straightforward. Power is a number. The weight, there's no specific weight field here, so I'll just go with number. Acceleration is the time to get from 0 to 60 miles an hour. So although there's time, it requires a date as well. And unless your car's very slow, you probably don't have dates in the 0 to 60. So we'll just go with a number. And the top speed is going to be a number. And if I scroll down, we've got 2 more. Now these are quite important that you check and change these. The picture, if we're ever going to add pictures to our database, we need to embed objects. That's object linked embedded object. Only the object. So I'll choose that. And then manufacturer ID is the way we're going to link to the table of manufacturers. And we're going to use ID numbers there. So change that to number as well. Once you're happy with that, you can change the view back to datasheet. And if prompted, say yes, you do want to save those changes. It does give you a warning saying some data may be lost. But I think it's fine in this particular example. So I'll say yes. Nothing appears to have disappeared, and now you can see pound symbols in front of each of the prices, and I can choose to sort from largest to smallest, which shows me that the Veyron Grand Sport is the most expensive car in this list at £1.4 million. A snip.